Hi everyone, I'm Marine Tongi and I'm the founder of MtArt Agency, currently the #1 talent agency for the most exciting visual artists. I was super honored and very touched to be asked by Andrea Concast to join the prestigious jury of Artwright Prize and help selecting the most exciting photographers this year. The one that we selected as part of MtArt Agency is Marco Cicchillo, and apologies for the famous non-Italian accent. You will see it's literally like stepping into Dante or into the gates of hell of Rodin, and I think it's a really strong depiction of what's going on in our brains as we are locked on and seeing, the rise of populism, but also the rise of clashes between people and kind of seeing this orchestra of human beings basically being in friction. I think it's really exciting to be working with. I think the technique is also absolutely striking in the way he captured that subject, and I'm delighted and excited to be working with him.